Should a government officer, state officer, or public officer use his powers in that manner that your brother did?
Madam Speaker, I came because of the harassment and the abuse of office, misuse of power against me by my own brother. That's why I came here. I want to get justice. And the justice that I want, if my brother can be removed from office so that he can come to his senses. And I'm praying for him so that he can even see the kingdom of heaven.
We're sorry about that, Mzee. We're so sorry for the ordeals.
Is that all for this witness? Is that all for examination in chief?
Yes, Madam Speaker. That's all for the old man.
Does he need time before cross-examination? Or is he able to take the questions in cross-examination?
Can you bring it up?
Sorry, Madam Speaker, he says that he has only one more issue that you want to state, and granted his age, I pray that you may grant him only one more minute, Madam Speaker.
Madam Speaker, since that time, I felt sick. I was brought to Nairobi Coptic Hospital, where I stayed for 3 weeks, and I spent a lot of money. And I am now on injections. Right now, I've done 3 injections. I have a 4th to do. And I have so many drugs to take. I'm seeing my life is in danger. That's why I decided to come. Because he has mistreated me many times, I forgive him. But this time around, I said I must come on my own volition. Thank you, the senators, the honorable senators, thank you.
Mr. Ruben, you'll be asked questions by the counsel for the deputy governor.
Counsel, I'm on the mic.
I'm sorry,
Yes.
Madam Speaker.
Where did he fall sick? He said he fell sick.
Yes, Madam Speaker. Yes,
I felt sick after thinking very hard for almost 1.5 weeks of what transpired. And one of my brothers came home, and he's a doctor. He took my pressure. Me, I was fighting, thinking that it is only my sugars which are bad. And my pressure was reading over 200. And they told me, you are very sick. You have to be rushed to hospital. That's why I was brought to Nairobi. And before, I didn't have such kind of problems. I was not injecting even myself. I was not on these injections. I was not on the many drugs. I was taking just a few tablets to control my sugar and my pressure. But right now, I'm in very bad shape. Even my legs are swollen. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you. Thank you, Ruben.
Yes, Madam Speaker.
You can have a word with him. Explain to him he's going through cross-examination now.
Mr. Ruben. Madam Speaker, Mr. Ruben, I'm sorry for the ordeals.
Thank you.
God will comfort you, but we are in a trial and the facts must be found by the Senate.
I'm a blood brother, the immediate follower. My brother took care of me when I was young.
You say that your brother took care of you when you were young.
Yes.
Do you understand what brings you this evening before the Senate?
Yes, I understand what brings me before the Senate. I've come here to seek for justice for myself. And I've come here because of the harassment and the mistreatment that occurred to me when I am very sick.
Okay. Okay, allow me to perhaps lead you once more.
Yes.
Do you understand that your brother is facing an impeachment motion?
Yes, I understand.
Thank
My
you.
brother is facing an impeachment motion.
Do you understand the consequences of the impeachment if it were to be held by the Senate?
Come again?
Do you understand the consequences of this process if the Senate were to impeach him?
Yes, I understand the consequences.
What are the consequences?
One, in Kisii County, we shall not be having chaos as we are having. We will not be harassed the way we are being harassed.
So you understand that this process will culminate into him losing his seat, yes?
Yes, I understand.
And are you ready to take that path as a brother to the deputy governor?
Yes, I'm ready to take it.
Mr. Ruben Monda, have you come here on your own volition or you've been compelled to appear before the Senate?
No, Madam Speaker, sir. Madam Speaker, I've come on my own volition.
And to that effect, Mr. Ruben Monda, did you swear an affidavit dated the 21st of February?
Yes, I did. I saw an affidavit.
Again, did you swear that affidavit voluntarily or you were compelled?
No, I saw the affidavit voluntarily.
Sorry, Honorable Senators, I think the sugars are going low. That is page 257 of the bundle of document by the County Assembly. I'm so sorry, I beg your pardon.
277.
257, Madam Speaker. You find the affidavit of Ruben Monda Orangi Matundura.
Yes.
I refer you to paragraph 4 of the affidavit, where you say that my brother, the Deputy Governor of Kisii County, has had a rough relationship with the family since acceding to being the Deputy Executive in the county, including treating our octogenarian father with exceptional contempt. Yes?
Yes.
What exactly do you mean?
I mean, he has handled our father, an old man who is 94 years old, in a very bad way. That made me, because I was at home, to cry and tell my brother that you can treat our father like this.
And are you saying that this is a behavior he has acquired upon assuming office, or he has always been like this?
He changed abruptly after getting that position, and he started mistreating everyone.
Look at paragraph 5 of the said affidavit, where you say, I'll assist you in reading, that the Deputy Governor has since then ensured that there are at least 5 county officers stationed at our home, performing not only manual jobs in the farm, including but not limited to digging wells at our compound, feeding dairy cows, an aspect I strongly believe that is not part of their job description, but also spending the night in one of our father's house. Now, I put this question to you. Do you live in the same compound with the deputy governor?
Yes, we live, Madam Speaker, we live in the same communal compound with my brother, the deputy governor.
So while living in that particular communal compound, are you able to see what happens in each other's homestead?
Yes, Madam Speaker, because I'm sick, I stay at home all the time, more than my brother, the deputy speaker. I see what happens day in, day out.
You speak about 5 officers. Are these normal casuals or these are county enforcement officers?
Madam Speaker, these are county security officers.
How are you able to distinguish that they are county enforcement officers or security officers?
Madam Speaker, they come on duty in uniform, a green uniform, every day.
It is your statement, therefore, that the enforcement officers do odd jobs for and on behalf of the deputy governor, yes?
Yes, Madam Speaker, they do that. And I'm an eyewitness.
Would you describe the kind of the jobs they undertake? Other than feeding the dairy cows and digging wells, is there anything else that they do?
Yes, Madam Speaker. There are some who do the lawn mowing. There are those who dug. In fact, they deepened an existing well for our brother when I was sick.
Look at paragraph 6 again of your affidavit. But before we do that, you've said that, but they also spend the night in one of our father's old house, yes?
Yes, Madam Speaker.
Who are these who spend the night there?
The security guards who come during the night. Once they finish, all of us report into the compound. They go and sleep in that house.
Paragraph 6 of your affidavit, Mr. Ruben, states that my brother, the Deputy Governor of Kisii County, has made it his business to ensure that our home is an extension of the county, wherein he dictates and, in misuse of the county officers, has his way. Since he came into office, there has been at least 5 working in his farm. Clear demonstration that the Deputy Governor is in misusing the staffs of the county. Do you confirm that he does misuse them?
Yes, Madam Speaker, I confirm. And I can give explanation how it happens.
Please do.
For example, Madam Speaker, on the 20th of December 2023, my brother, without me knowing, because I was splitting some timber where I wanted to plant some more trees, without me knowing, his wife came to where the fundis were splitting the timber and called him and told him that I had cut their trees. And then my brother came without me knowing with about 20 security officers, county security officers, and about 7 national government askaris to arrest me, which shocked me. I could not believe it. So 20 county security officers plus about 7 national askaris from Keumbu police station. Without me knowing, I was shocked. and I was arrested.
Did they tell you the reason why they were arresting you?
He never told me the reason. He just told the Askaris because he was the one who was leading them to the shamba. He's the one who was leading them to the shamba.
You mean he was present at that particular time? And
Yes, Madam Speaker.
when you say his one was...
He said, we didn't come here to argue with anybody. We came here, Askari, can you do what you came here to do? And the Askaris told me you are under arrest.
Which Askaris told you that you're under arrest? The National Police Service or the county enforcement? Whom was he commandeering?
He commandeered the deputy OCS Keumbu and also the deputy.
I'm asking between the county enforcement officers and the National Police officers, whom did he order that you should be arrested?
I repeat, he told the deputy OCS Keumbu and also the deputy, I think is the deputy for the security officers.
Which security officers?
He told the...
Which security officers in particular?
I think I've said that somewhere.
Yeah, you know we have two groups here, Mr. Ruben. We have
that's
20...
what I'm talking about,
Yes.
the two.
Yes.
I'm differentiating between
Please
the two.
do.
So I'm saying the deputy,
We can assist you to read the paragraph.
yes. Forgive me, Madam Speaker, because I'm unaware.
But just to refresh your memories, Mr. Ruben,
Yes,
we have two groups here.
yes,
We have 20 county enforcement officers.
yeah.
Did the deputy governor command them to arrest you?
Yes, he commanded them to arrest me.
Thank you. Now, what transpired therein after?
Council, you have 5 minutes.
Yes, I'm just about to be done.
What happened, Madam Speaker? I was harassed very badly by the Askaris. I was taken to Keumbu, and at Keumbu, I was not given an OB. I was not booked. And then after 3 hours, I was taken to Kisii by the Askaris from Keumbu, because it looks like there were some orders which were coming from Kisii Central Police Station that the Keumbu Askaris rushed me to Kisii. I was rushed to Kisii, and then I met the OCS Kisii, who failed to give me also an booking. I stayed there for almost 5 hours without being booked, but I was put to sit next to the cell on a box, I was told, that contains the ammunition. So I could not understand. At some stage, because I was very sick, I requested to be taken to the hospital. And when I requested, the OCS accepted. But reaching the hospital, Kisii Referral Hospital, I was, again, the OCS commanded the two Askaris who took me there to rush me back, that there is a letter he was to write for me, so that he allows me to go to the hospital. When I came there, OCS had left, and when we tried to call him, he put off his phone.
So you ended up not getting treated, yes?
I didn't get any treatment,
And
Madam Speaker.
And have you been charged before in a court for that offense?
Madam Speaker, I've never been charged in any court.
Did your brother reach out to you during that particular time?
Madam Speaker, up to now, he has never reached to me.
Do you have any evidence before this court in terms of photos that you'd wish the senators to watch?
Yes, Madam Speaker, there are photos which can be explained.
Can we have the clips, Madam Speaker, played?
Technical team, can you run that?
So we can begin there. What is happening in that particular photo?
That photo is when I was put in the Land Rover for Keumbu. I'm being, that time now, we have reached Keumbu, and now I'm being rushed to Kisii.
When was it?
Central Police. This was after I stayed for 3 hours at Keumbu. Now, orders came that I should be rushed to Kisii.
I can see, excuse me, I can see a person hanging just next to the pickups, I think, door, yes? Can you see that person with a brown shirt?
Brown shirt, yes.
Who was he?
I don't know him by name, but if I get him, I can.
Yeah, but what is he one of the enforcement officers or is a police officer?
That one is an enforcement officer.
From the county or from the national government?
From the county security team.
Where are the rest? You spoke about 20 of them. What happened to the rest?
The rest, Madam Speaker, they are the ones who collected 61 pieces of timber from the shamba to a waiting lorry on the road.
Who commanded?
And they are the ones, when we arrived at Kimbu, who have loaded the vehicle which was carrying the timber.
Who ordered them to do so?
It is my brother, the deputy governor, who gave them instruction to do so.
Do you think, in your own opinion, if the Senate does impeach the deputy governor, you'll get yourself free of this intimidation and harassments?
Council, you know your time is up.
This is the last question. If he's stripped of all these powers, will you continue to have the harassment coming from the enforcement mechanisms of the county?
It is my hope and prayer that he will not continue doing it. That's why I came here.
You said there was a video that was being that was recorded, yes?
Yes.
Could we, Madam Speaker, as the last clip, see and watch the video? And who took these photos and the videos?
Council, how many more minutes?
Only 3 minutes, Madam Speaker. Who took these videos and the photos?
Most of those, my brother came with the media.
Yes.
They are the ones who took that, and they even broadcasted what transpired on the TV, the local TVs in Kisii.
Those are the videos. What is that? Where is that place and what is happening?
That one still, we are on the way to Kisii, Central Police.
Have you been induced by any person to come and testify before the Senate in this matter?
No, Madam Speaker, I came on my own volition.
Finally, should a government officer, state officer, or public officer use his powers in that manner that your brother did?
Madam Speaker, I came because of the harassment and the abuse of office, misuse of power against me by my own brother. That's why I came here. I want to get justice. And the justice that I want, if my brother can be removed from office so that he can come to his senses. And I'm praying for him so that he can even see the kingdom of heaven.
We're sorry about that, Mzee.